Few deities in Hindu tradition are as misunderstood as Shani Dev. For some people, merely hearing his name creates fear. Many associate Shani with hardship, karma, delays, and suffering. But is Shani Dev truly a cruel force? Or is there a deeper spiritual meaning behind him? Today, we explore the story, symbolism, teachings, and truth about one of the most powerful celestial beings in Hindu tradition. Jai Shani Dev. Who is Shani Dev? Shani Dev is the divine embodiment of the planet Saturn. In Hindu tradition, he is considered one of the Navagraha, the 9 celestial influences. Shani represents karma, discipline, justice, patience, and consequences. He is often described as a strict teacher, not because he hates humanity, but because he represents truth and accountability. Shani Dev's family and birth story. Shani Dev is believed to be the son of Surya Dev, the sun god, and Chaya. According to tradition, Chaya performed intense tapasya and devotion while carrying Shani. Because of this powerful spiritual energy, Shani was born with immense strength and deep spiritual power. Some stories say that when Shani first opened his eyes, Surya's light dimmed due to the intensity of Shani's gaze. This is one reason Shani became associated with seriousness and powerful karmic influence. Siblings. Shani Dev's family connections are also significant. He is traditionally connected to Yama, the god of justice and death. Both are associated with karma and consequences, but in different ways. Yama judges after death. Shani teaches lessons during life. Why is Shani Dev feared? Many people fear Shani Dev because he is connected with challenges. In astrology and spiritual tradition, Shani periods are often linked to delays, obstacles, responsibilities, and life lessons. But this fear is often misunderstood. Shani is not believed to create suffering randomly. Shani represents karma, meaning actions have consequences. The deeper meaning. Shani exposes what people avoid: ego, dishonesty, greed, pride, laziness, attachment. And because facing these things can feel uncomfortable, people fear Shani. Important. But many spiritual teachers explain that Shani is not evil. Shani is disciplined, like a strict teacher preparing a student for growth. The lessons may feel difficult, but they are believed to push people toward maturity, responsibility, humility, and truth. Why Shani Dev should not be feared? One of the biggest misunderstandings is believing Shani only brings pain. But tradition also teaches that Shani rewards honesty, patience, discipline, hard work, humility, and devotion. Many people pray to Shani Dev for strength, stability, justice, protection, and spiritual growth. Beautiful message. Shani reminds people that shortcuts do not always lead to lasting success. True growth often takes patience, responsibility, and inner strength. How to worship Shani Dev? Devotees worship Shani Dev with sincerity, humility, and discipline. Saturday, known as Shanivar, is considered especially important. Common practice is lighting a diya. Many devotees light a sesame oil diya on Saturdays. Chanting. Some chant Shani mantras or prayers dedicated to Shani Dev. Examples: Om Sham Shanicharaya Namah, or the Shani Chalisa, Hanuman Chalisa, which is often associated with protection and strength. Charity and service. Acts of charity, helping the poor, feeding people, and showing compassion are also considered meaningful. Discipline. Shani worship is often connected with self-discipline, honesty, patience, and humility. Do's or don't. Do's. Practice honesty. Respect others. Stay disciplined. Be patient. Help those in need. Remain humble during success. Don'ts. Avoid harming others intentionally. Avoid arrogance and dishonesty. Avoid exploiting people. Avoid fear-based superstition. Important. Balanced section. Different traditions and families may follow different customs regarding Shani Dev. Spiritual practices should be approached respectfully and thoughtfully. Symbolism of Saturn. Shani. Even astrologically, Saturn moves slowly. And symbolically, Shani teaches slow but lasting growth. Not quick rewards, but meaningful transformation. Powerful ending. Perhaps Shani Dev is feared not because he is cruel, but because truth can feel uncomfortable. Shani teaches that actions matter, that discipline matters, that growth often requires patience. And maybe, the purpose of Shani is not punishment, but awakening. Jai Shani Dev.